So in the last class I was discussing about the equilibrium, right? So up to Lee-Chattel principle it was done, है ना? This one, Ostwald's pH calculation for the weak acid. Okay, see here. Now, also for the pH calculation for the weak acids also done, and for the weak bases done, right? pH calculation for the strong acid and the strong bases, that is also done, right? Now see, now you see the hydrolysis of salt, you see, right? Now the hydrolysis of salts, hydrolysis of salts, you see. देखो, see here, है ना? So you know meaning of the salt. What is the salt one? Salt is basically when the acid and the bases react to each other. So they will form the salt one. So one there will be the cationic salt, one will be cation part and the other will be your anion part. For example, you have the NaCl one. Got it? So that is a kya? Salt one. Clear? Or dekho. So different types of salts are there. For example, the salt will be kya? Na plus and the Cl minus. You have the Na plus and the Cl minus. Got it? Again you have the kya? Na2SO4, Na2SO4. So which is the cationic part? The cationic part here is Na plus and the anionic part is the sulfate ion. So these are the basically the salts. So you see the NaCl have been formed from NaOH plus what? HCl1, right? So after the neutralization reaction it will form the salt plus water one. Similarly this Na2SO4 has been formed from NaOH plus H2SO4. NaOH plus the H2SO4 one. Got it? Now see here. See here, if I am talking about this one, right, NaHSO4, isn't it? Again, this is also a salt one, right? This is again also a salt. However, this is your acidic salt. This is your acidic salt. Why it is the acidic salt? Because it can donate H plus. It can donate your H plus. Similarly, if you have MgOHCl, right? Got it? MgOH and the Cl1. So see here, this OH can donate the OH1, right? So it is basically your kya? Basic salt. These are the basically basic salt. Got it? Now see here, you have NaKSO4. Got it? So you have different types of cations, right? You have different types of cation. This is known as the kya? Mixed salt. These are basically your mixed salt one. When you have different types of cation and you have different types of anions are there, that is known as the mixed salt. So you know this is the normal salt NaCl. This is also the normal salt. You have the acidic salt, you have the basic salt, and you have the mixed salt. Got it? Understood this part? अब देखो यहाँ पर. See here. So see here, hydro means what? Water, right? Lysis means what? Breaking down. So the breaking of bonds of water, that is known as the hydrolysis. Got it? That is known as the hydrolysis. So basically what happens? Let's suppose you have taken a salt. Let the salt it be B plus and the A minus, right? Let the salt be B plus and the A minus, any normal salt. So it will have the cationic part and you will have the kya? Anionic part, right? You will have the cationic part and you will have the anionic part. Now what will happen? See here, if I am talking about the water one, got it? Got it? See, this water bond will break, right? You know water can be written as H plus and the OH minus, right? H2O can be written as the H plus and the OH minus. Fine. So what will happen? This B plus will take the OH1. This B plus will take the OH1. Got it? To form the BOH, and this A minus will take the H plus 1 to form the क्या? H. This is known as the क्या? Hydrolysis of salts will be there. This is known as the hydrolysis of salts. Got it? Understood? Write down. So this is basically your base one, and this one basically your क्या? Acid. Write down. Base plus the acid one. Done? तो अब देखो. Now see the first case you see, right? The case one. Got it? Case one you see the salt of a strong acid and the strong base. Case 1 you see the salt of a strong acid and the strong base one. Can you tell any example of salt of strong acid and the strong base? NaCl. You see salt of a strong acid and the strong base, NaCl, right? NaCl is made from the sodium hydroxide plus the क्या? Oh, गजब हो एकदम. क्या जी का टेंशन? किसका का रिजल्ट? एक तो इजी बोर्ड, इसमें भी टेंशन. एक होता है कि बोर्ड बहुत टफ होता. यू नो आई, मुझे पता है आप लोगों को कुछ शीट्स मिलता है, उसी से पढ़ के जाते, उसी से नंबर आते हैं. पर कुछ है ना वैसा कुछ. तो होना भी चाहिए फिर. एक तो कर्नाटका बोर्ड बहुत इजी दे रखा है. दिस मस्ट बी टफ वन. I have seen, I have taught in this Agnes one, right? I know the level of the board. It's very easy. और ऊपर easy कैसे बनाते? एक तो पहले ही बता देते कि यही सब set of questions आएगा. नहीं बताते. They are telling me that sir we know that these questions will be asked from only this part. तो उनको पता होता है कि इतना क्वेश्चन तो श्योर है कि क्वेश्चन आना ही आना. Isn't it not that true? Then biology only. Biology was tough. Still is coming from the NCERT, right? क्या ही टफ होगा. देखो, अरे बता रहा हूँ कर्नाटक ये तुम्हारा पीयू बोर्ड का एकेडमिक्स बहुत ख़राब है. हाँ, 10th का CBSE, 10th तो मैं कंसिडर भी नहीं करता. CBSE, मैं भी CBSE से मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. पहले मुझे लगता था CBSE बोर्ड ईजी है. नाउ आई केम टू कर्नाटका, देन आई रियलाइज द कर्नाटका बोर्ड इज टू ईजी देन द CBSE ऑल्सो. क्या? Where? In this Karnataka PU board? पढ़ेंगे तब तो पास होंगे. सी नहीं, हर का स्टेट बोर्ड इजी नहीं होता. कर्नाटका बोर्ड आई एम टेलिंग, दिस कर्नाटका बोर्ड इज इजी. हाँ, केरला इज टफर. इसलिए तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है यहाँ से. मतलब टू अट्रैक्ट द गुड पूल ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट इन कर्नाटका. बोर्ड्स आर इजी, द स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी रिलैक्स्ड वन. चलो देखो, ठीक है हटाओ. CBSE का रिजल्ट कब आएगा? मई में, राइट? मई आई थिंक. चलो कोई नहीं, व्हाट एवर इट इज, इट विल डजंट मैटर। चलो देखो स्टार्ट करते हैं, है ना। ऑब्वियसली यू गाइज विल गेट 90% प्लस मार्क्स, मोस्ट ऑफ यू। जो मैं पढ़ा रहा था उसमें लास्ट बैच में तो सबके 95 ही प्लस थे। 95, 99 in maths, 95. You will also get plus 80, I think so. 80 plus. You see, you will get easy one. और क्या हो जाएगा इस बोर्ड में नंबर लाने से? किसको दिखाओगे? अरे जब तक एंट्रेंस नहीं निकल रहा कुछ नहीं होने जा रहा। चलो देखो, सी सॉल्ट ऑफ कॉलेज मैटर्स। कितना अच्छा कॉलेज होगा वो मैटर कर रहा होगा, वेदर मेडिकल कॉलेज, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, वाट एवर द कॉलेज यू है, या फिर वही नॉर्मल लाइफ। नॉर्मल तो सबका ही चलता है बट ठीक है, अच्छा लाइफ कॉलेज में पढ़ना चाहिए। सॉल्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड एंड द स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, राइट। सी NaCl you am talking about, right? So see, NaCl is the salt of the strong base and the strong acid one, right? But it is a salt of a strong acid and the strong base. So in this case, there will be no hydrolysis. Got it? There will be no hydrolysis one. Got it? So neither Na plus will undergo hydrolysis, neither Cl minus will undergo hydrolysis. If they are not undergo hydrolysis, it means that pH will be is equals to what? 7. pH is equals to 7. Got it? Fine. Now coming to the case 2. Case 2 you see. See here, case 2 you see the salt of strong acid and the weak base, right? Salt of the strong acid. Can you give an example of salt of strong acid and the weak base? Salt of strong acid and the weak base. It will be NaHCl. NaHCl? NaHSO4, both are strong. Strong acid and the weak base. It will be, बताओ, देखो यहाँ पर NH4Cl I am talking about, right? Cl. Clear? So NH4Cl will be from sodium ammonium hydroxide plus HCl1, right? Ammonium hydroxide plus HCl will give you the NH4Cl. Ammonium hydroxide is your weak base one, right? Ammonium hydroxide is basically your weak base one. Got it? So see here, since this Cl is from the strong part, right? So if I am talking about NH4 and the Cl minus, right? Got it? NH4 plus and the Cl minus. So in this case, NH4 and the Cl minus, you see this Cl minus will not undergo hydrolysis because it is from the strong part. Got it? Because it is coming from the strong acid one. So which will go undergo hydrolysis? This will undergo kya? Hydrolysis. So this is example of cationic hydrolysis. Got it? So this is the example of the cationic hydrolysis one. Now see here what will happen here. You have NH4 plus. Got it? You have NH4 plus. Now water is there, right? Got it? NH4 plus will take the OH minus to form NH4OH plus what? H plus 1, right? So see, when the cation is undergoing hydrolysis, it will basically producing the H plus. As the concentration of H plus increasing, means the pH decreases one. Got it? So in this case the pH will be less than 7 1. The solution becomes kya? Acidic. The solution becomes acidic one. So remember these things. Cationic hydrolysis will give you kya? Acidic solution. Cationic hydrolysis will give you the acidic solution. Fine? Got it? Now see here. So what is the formula for this one, right? What is the formula for this? Is known as the KH1, hydrolysis constant. This is known as the hydrolysis constant. KH, hydrolysis constant. Clear? Write it down. अब देखो यहाँ पर. Now see here. So I can write here KH is equals to KW by KB and pH is equals to, remember this formula, pH is equals to 7 minus half pKb minus half log C. pH is equals to 7 minus half pKb minus half log C. Got it? ये important formula है तुम्हारा. KH is equals to KW by KB and pH is equals to 7 minus half pKb minus. So if the pKb data is given and the concentration of the salt will be given, you can easily find out the value of the kya? pH. Now third one, salt of strong base and weak acid. Salt of strong base and the weak acid. Can you give any example for this one? Salt of the strong base and the weak acid. Salt of the strong base and the weak acid. Any one of you? Yeah. Give me example. Salt of the strong base and the weak acid. Tell. It will be what? देखो मैं बता दे रहा हूँ. You have sodium acetate, right? So see here, this is coming from the weak acid, acetic acid, and this is coming from the strong base, sodium hydroxide. Got it? Now which will undergo hydrolysis? Acetate ion. So this is a case of what? So here this will not undergo hydrolysis, this will undergo kya? Hydrolysis. So this is an example of anionic hydrolysis. Anionic hydrolysis. Got it? Is example of anionic hydrolysis. Write down. Clear? Fine. Now see here. So CH3CO minus plus water. This anion will take the H plus 1, right, to form acetic acid plus what? OH minus 1. Got it? Acetic acid plus the OH minus 1. So see, the concentration of OH minus is getting increased, right? So when the anionic hydrolysis is there, you will have more number of moles of OH minus. As the concentration of OH minus increases, means the solution becomes kya? Basic one. That means pH will be greater than 7. Got it? That means the pH will be greater than kya? 7. Fine. Got it? pH will be greater than 7. Now see here. Now see here that here you have to write the formula. KH is equals to KW by Ka and pH is equals to 7 plus half pK plus half log C. pH is equals to 7 plus half pK plus half log C. Got it? Fine. हो जाएगा. अब देखो fourth one you see that salt of weak acid and the weak base. Salt of, can you give any example? Salt of weak acid and weak base? Anyone? Salt of the weak acid and the weak base? बताओ. What? Acetic acid and HCl. HCl is a strong one. हाँ? CaCl COCl. अरे वो तो एसाइल क्लोराइड हो गया, वो तो सॉल्ट ही नहीं है. See, you can write this one as, देखो, ammonium acetate, right? Got it? This is example of the ammonium. See, it is coming from the acetic acid plus ammonium hydroxide, and both are क्या? Weak one. Then in this case, this will also undergo hydrolysis, and this will also undergo hydrolysis. Clear? In this case, both cationic and anionic hydrolysis will be done. Both cationic and the anionic hydrolysis. So both cationic, I can write here, both cationic and anionic hydrolysis. Both cationic and anionic hydrolysis. Got it? Both cationic and anionic hydrolysis will be there. Fine. So see here, I can write here that KH is equals to KW by Ka by क्या? Kb. KH is equals to KW by K into Kb1. Got it? And in this case, since both are undergoing hydrolysis, that's why K and the Kb1. And in this case, the pH will be, 7 plus half pK minus half pK. Got it? Half pKb, this is the formula, write down. Half pK minus half pKb is there. That means that pH is independent of the concentration of the salt. It means that it is independent of the concentration of salt. For example, if I told you that, see here, suppose you have 0.10 to the power minus 3 molar ammonium acetate, or you have 10 to the power minus 4 molar ammonium acetate, or you have 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar ammonium acetate, all will have the same pH values, because that is independent of the concentration of the salt one, right? And you know that the value of pK and the pKb is is not depend on the concentration also. That is for the acid as well as for the base one. So for a particular temperature, this pK and the pKb will be same. So all will have the same pH. All have same pH. Got it? All will have the same pH. Understood? एक और एक क्वेश्चन देखो. See here. Find this one. See here. If I ask you that you have to find out the pH for this one. You have to find out the pH for the ammonium acetate one. Given that K for acetic acid is 10 to the power minus 5 and Kb for the NH4OH is 10 to the power minus 5. Can you find out the pH for this one? What is the pH for this one? What will be its pH? Tell me. What will be its pH? what will be its pH? You know the formula one, right? What is the formula? 7 plus half pKa minus half pKb. So first you have to find out the pK. So pK will be minus log K, which is equals to minus log 10 to the power minus 5, isn't it? Which is equals to kya? 5. Got it? Coming to the pKb, minus log Kb, which is equals to minus log 10 to the power minus 5 is equals to what? 5. You have to find out the pH. The pH will be kya? 7 plus half pK minus half pKb, right? Which is equals to 7. So it will be your neutral solution. So remember, if the pK is equals to pKb, you will have the neutral solution. Got it? Understood this point? Now, next topic you see. See the next topic. This is fine, na? Now the buffer solution. Buffer solution you see. What is buffer solution? See here. Buffer solution. What is buffer? What is buffer? What is buffer? Anyone? What is buffer one? Blood is a buffer, you know, right? Blood is your buffer. What is the pH of the blood? Medical students. What is the pH of the blood? Normal pH of the blood? 0.9. 0.9 में मर गए होते. You will die if you have the blood pH 0.9. It is around 7.3 or 7.2, something like that. See, as the pH of the blood changes, right, you will feel sick. So इसलिए ब्लड क्या करता है, थोड़ा रेजिस्ट कर लेता है. क्लियर है कि नहीं? जितना ज़्यादा चेंजेस आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, आप तुरंत हॉस्पिटलाइज हो जाओगे. तो जैसे ही बहुत ज़्यादा तेज बुखार आ जा रहा है, अगेन द पीएच ऑफ द ब्लड बेसिकली क्या चेंजेस. क्लियर है? जैसे पीएच का ब्लड चेंज करेगा, प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट. थोड़ा बहुत तो मैनेज कर सकता है. सो वी हैव द इम्यूनिटी वन, राइट? थोड़ा बहुत तो मैनेज कर लेता है. बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस में वो क्या करेगा, वो फ्लक्चुएट बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. तो सी बफर इज अ सॉल्यूशन. These are the solutions which can resist solutions which can resist the change, solution which can resist the change in pH, on a small addition of acid or base, on small addition of either acid or base one. Clear? On a small addition of either acid or base. The solution which can resist the change in a pH on a small addition of either acid or base one, that is known as the buffer solution. Clear? अब देखो बफर दो टाइप के होते हैं. सी वन इज योर सिंपल बफर and second one is your mixed buffer. Got it? One is your simple buffer, other one is your mixed buffer. तो देखो यहाँ पर, write it down. तो see, in the simple buffer, simple one, and you have the mixed one, and you have the mixed buffer. Simple one means the salt of weak acid and the weak base. It is a salt of weak acid. It is basically a salt of weak acid and the weak base. Got it? Whereas the mixed buffer is basically divided into two parts. One is your acidic buffer and one is your basic buffer. Got it? One is your acidic buffer and one is your basic buffer. Got it? Now acidic buffer means weak acid plus salt of that weak acid with a strong base. With a strong base. For example, see here, weak acid, right? Let it be acetic acid. Got it? And the salt of that weak acid with the strong base, right? And the salt of that weak acid with a strong base. It means salt of the weak acid with the strong base. Got it? So it will form the kya? Buffer one. This will form the buffer one. Got it? Understood? Similarly, basic buffer will be weak base plus salt of that weak base with a strong acid. For example, NH4OH plus NH4Cl. You will have NH4OH plus NH4Cl. यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल देख लो. You will have CH3CO NH4. Got it? CH3CO NH4. Got it? It's fine? Yeah. Any problem? We already discussed about the pH calculation for this one, right? Salt of weak acid, the weak base, we already discussed one. Now coming to the this acidic buffer and the basic buffer one. So see here, for the acidic buffer, pH is equals to pKa plus log concentration of salt divided by acid. pH is equals to pKa plus concentration of log of salt divided by acid. Got it? Whereas for the basic buffer, formula is pOH is equals to pKb plus log concentration of salt by base 1. This is the formula. pH we have to find like this way, and pH have to find like this. pH is equals to pKb plus log salt by base 1. Got it? Find one. अब देखो, for example, see, for example, you have, let it be 0.1 molar, right? Okay, and the concentration of acetic acid, let it be 0.1/2 molar. Got it? And K for the acetic acid is given as 10 to the power minus 5. Okay. Now you have to find out the pH for this one. How to find out the pH for this one? You can find this as pH is equals to, see here, pK plus log salt by kya? Acid one, right? Got it? pH is equals to pK log salt by acid. So what is the pK here? pK will be what? Minus log of, which is equals to 5. So I can write 7 plus log, this is the salt one, right? What is the concentration? Divided by kya? 0.1/2. that is equals to 5 log 2. You know log value of log 2 is 0.3, which is equals to क्या 0.31. This is how we find out the pH of this acidic buffer. Similarly, you can find out the pH for the what? Basic buffer. Got it? This acid is basically known as the, this is fine, right? This is salt, basically here is the conjugate base, and this is basically your conjugate acid. This is conjugate base and this is conjugate acid. Fine, done. अब देखो, see here. Now coming to the solubility of sparingly soluble salt. Solubility of sparingly soluble salts. Of sparingly soluble salts. Solubility of sparingly soluble salts, you see. For example, you have to find out the क्या solubility product one, right? You have to find out the solubility product. Solubility product. You see about the solubility product. देखो यहाँ पर. So what means the solubility product? See here, you have AgCl, isn't it? It is not that much soluble in water, right? It is very less soluble, almost insoluble in water. Although it will have some concentration of Ag plus and the concentration of Cl minus in the solution. So I can write this one as, it will be क्या? Ag plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. Got it? Isn't it? So I can write here 1 minus S and the S1. Got it? So in order, ओए आराम से सो जाओ, just sleep, that will be better. सो जाओ. अब देखो, so I can write here KSP is equals to, I can write KSP is equals to concentration of Ag plus concentration of Cl minus aqueous S multiplied by S, which is equals to what? S square. So the solubility product for the AgCl will be S square. Fine? Any problem? Now, आप देखो. Got it? Similarly, if I ask you for the compound, let it be BaSO4. What is the solubility product for this one? What is the solubility product for this one? Tell me. क्या आएगा? बोलो. Yes, anyone? Tell. It will be ionized as Ba2 plus aqueous plus SO42 minus aqueous, right? Isn't it? So it will be 1 minus S, this will be S and the S1. Fine? Got it? So I can write this one as KSP is equals to concentration of Ba2 plus aqueous, concentration of sulfate minus aqueous. So S multiplied by S is equals to what? Got it? Fine one? तो प्रॉब्लम तो बताओ. नो, राइट? अब देखिए, सी हियर, now coming to the second example, you see Na2SO4, right? It will ionize as so it will be क्या 2s and s. So Ksp will be concentration of Na plus का square into concentration of sulfate and which is equals to 2s का square into s1. Got it? ये समझ में आ जाएगा? Understood? Write down. Fine one, right? Now see here, more the solubility, clear है? उसका क्या होगा? Lesser will be the precipitation one, right? The compounds having the less solubility will be precipitate first. It means lesser the solubility, इसमें ऐसा लिख more the solubility, precipitate last. Precipitate last. Lesser the solubility, precipitate first. Clear है? ऐसे बहुत सारा salt दे दिया आपको. AgCl, AgBr, right? For example, see here. For example, you have AgCl, got it, and you have AgBr, isn't it? The solubility is given for 10 to the power minus 30, the solubility given is for 10 to the power minus 50. Now the question is which will precipitate first? Which will precipitate first? Lesser the solubility will precipitate first. So which will precipitate first? Ag? No. It is a lesser one, right? So see here, s square is equal to 10 to the power minus 30, s is equal to 10 to the power minus 50. Here s square is equal to 10 to the power minus 50, s equal to 10 to the power minus 25. Which is the lesser one? 10 to the power minus 25. It means AgBr precipitates first. It means that AgBr precipitate first, followed by AgCl. Understood? Fine. Write it down. हो गया? Done? अब देखो, this is fine, right? Now see here, now coming to the next part. See here, if ionic product you can understand from the reaction quotient. Ionic product is same as the reaction quotient one, right? If ionic product is greater than the Ksp, it means it is a condition of क्या? Precipitation. Condition of precipitation. Fine. Okay. If ionic product is equals to Ksp means at equilibrium, or if Ksp is greater than, it means condition of unsaturation. Condition of unsaturation. Write down. Condition of unsaturation. Clear है? अब देखो, condition of unsaturation. Fine? This is fine. Now you see the common ion effect. कॉमन आयन इफेक्टिव सोल्यूशन। ठीक है, तो देखो see here you have AgCl, this is a weak electrolyte, right? This will be ionized as Ag plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous, isn't it? It will ionize as the Ag plus aqueous and the Cl minus aqueous, fine. So the solubility will be S and the S1, got it? So the solubility will be S and the S1. Now you have added the NaCl, right? Your KCl. Let's suppose you have added the KCl. Clear? KCl is a strong electrolyte. Got it? KCl is a strong electrolyte. This one is basically your weak electrolyte. This is basically your weak electrolyte. Got it? And KCl is your strong electrolyte, right? KCl is your basically your strong electrolyte. You have added KCl, right? It will be ionized as what? K plus aqueous plus kya? Cl minus aqueous. Got it? K plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. Now see here. See, the concentration of Cl minus has been increased, right? This is the kya? Common ion. This is basically your kya? Common ion is there. So the concentration of Cl minus increase means the reaction will go to the kya? Backward one. Which one? This is a strong. ये तो नहीं जाएगा, कौन जाएगा? This will go क्या? Backward one. It means that on addition of an electrolyte having the same common ion, the solubility further decreases one. Got it? So on addition of the strong electrolyte having the same ion, the solubility will be further decreased one. Got it? The solubility will be further decreased. Got it? So let's suppose the concentration 0.1 था. It will be क्या? 0.1 and the 0.1. But still you know this is very very less one, right? तो इसको मैं क्या लिखूंगा? 0.1 plus S. यहाँ क्या लिखूंगा? Common ion. I can write Ksp is equals to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus, which is equals to S into S plus 0.1. Now you know this S is very small with respect to 0.1, so this can be ignored, which implies you can write Ksp is equals to kya? S into got it? Write down. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग. प्रीवियस KCET, to take this one, I have that. See here, question number 3, previous KCET question number 3, previous KCET question number 3 you see. Okay, now see here that a buffer solution contains 0.1 mole of sodium acetate in itna acetic acid. So see here, sodium acetate is how much? 0.1 divided by 0.1 mole, right? Clear? What is the concentration of acetic acid? .1 molar. Fine. Got it? Now what will happen? You can easily find out the concentration of sodium acetate as given moles by volume, right? What is the volume here? 1000. This will be also 0.1 mole. Clear? To the above proportion, 0.1 mole of sodium acetate is further added, right? The pH of the resulting buffer they are asking. You have added what? 0.1 mole of sodium acetate. Clear? Now, concentration of sodium acetate will be what? Total moles will be how much? 0.1 plus 0.2 mole. After adding 0.1 mole, the concentration will be kya? 0.21, right? Now you know the formula. What is the formula? pH is equals to what? Acidic buffer, right? pKa plus salt by acid, which is equals to pKa plus log salt कितना है 0.2 डिवाइडेड बाय क्या pKa प्लस clear pH is equals to pKa plus log 2. Which option then? Clear है आपको? Question number 4. Which of the following will precipitate, right? तो देखो यहाँ पर see here. This one, na? So the concentration of Cl minus they have given as 10 to the power minus 5 molar, and concentration of CrO4 minus given as 10 to the power minus 5 molar, right, is treated with 10 to the power minus 4 moles of silver nitrate. Which of the following observations are made, right? देखो यहाँ पर KSP they have given and KSP for the AgCl they have given. Now see here, how to find which will precipitate first one, right? Got it? Which will precipitate first one. किसे treat कर रहे हो तुम लोग? Silver nitrate is how much? 10 to the power minus 4 1, right? Got it? Treated with 10 to the power minus 4 mole of this one. This is fine, right? अब देखो कैसे करेंगे क्वेश्चन को. See here. So I can write here, what is the condition of precipitation? Q must be greater than क्या? KSP1, right? Q must be, condition of precipitation is KIP must be greater than the KSP. Clear है? तो देखो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? What is the KIP for Ag2CrO4? KIP कैसे निकालोगे? It will be what? Concentration of Ag plus का square into CrO4 minus, right? Clear है ना? तो क्या आ जाएगा तुम्हारा 10 to the power minus 4 का होल स्क्वायर 10 to the power minus 5, तो कितना आ जाएगा तुम्हारा -8 10 to the power minus 13, right? Clear? इसका बताते हैं, इसका क्या आएगा बताना तो। KIP विल बी क्या, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ Ag प्लस concentration of Cl minus, which is equals to what, -4 into 10 to the power -5, that is क्या 10 to the power -9, means KIP is greater than what, KSP. यहाँ पर क्या है, KIP is lesser than the क्या, KSP. So which will precipitate one, this will precipitate, so AgCl will precipitate out. Got it? Understood है ना। अब देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 यू टेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, pH of the solution obtained by mixing 100 ml of a solution of pH equals to 3 with 400 ml of a solution of pH equals to 4. How to do that question? देखो, see here. Which question? Question number 8, 9, right? तो देखो pH is equals to 3 and you have pH is equals to what? 4. What is the, it is 100 ml, this is 400 ml. Clear? They are asking the pH, right? They are asking the pH of the resulting solution. How to find the pH of the resulting solution? How to find it? See here, I can write concentration of H plus is equals to 10 to the power -3 here. pH is equals to 3 means equals to minus log of H plus, right? Which implies H plus is equals to what? 10 to the power -3. Got it? Here pH is equal to 4 means concentration of H plus equals to 10 to the power -4. Fine. Got it? Now what you have to do? See here, both will be added, right? H plus and H plus will be added one. So I can write net concentration of H plus will be this one multiplied by its volume plus this one multiplied by its volume divided by क्या, total volume. Got it? Fine. Now I can write this one as by 500. क्लियर? फाइन. इसको मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ देखो, आई कैन राइट दिस वन एज 0.1 by 500. क्लियर है? 10 to the power -4 ही दे रखा है ना, दिस इज द 101, राइट? 10 to the power -1, 10 to the power -2. So it will be 0.04, this is will be 0.1. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? इसको मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ बताना तो, which implies it will be क्या, 0.14 divided by 500. Got it? Which is equals to what? क्या लिख सकते हो उसको? 14/5 इंटू 10 to the power क्या, -4. क्लियर है? ये तुम्हारा क्या निकल जाएगा, ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी कि नहीं आ जाएगी? नाउ सी हियर, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 5 3 jet, राइट? Got it? So see what are the values they have given? They have given us, कहाँ गया? अच्छा दे रखा है क्या? Log के term में देगा. We don't need to find out the log then, right? So 5 by 14 is how much? It will be 2.8. This will be how much? 5 to the 10. Fine. Now I can write pH is equals to what? Minus log of 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 4, right? Which implies 4 minus log 2. क्या दे रखा है देखो? Which option? Third option, right? Got it? चलिए. Question number 10 you tell. Question number 10. Question number 10. Which option? Why second option? Same है 20 into 0.2 और ये भी क्या है तुम्हारा 0.2 ही आ रहा है, right? Both will be same one, right? So pH will be क्या 7. 11th. On adding which of the following the pH of 20 ml of 0.1 normal HCl will not alter? Which one? If you are adding 1 ml of 1 normal HCl, then see, if the concentration of H plus changes, then the pH will change. If the concentration of H plus will change, the pH will change one, right? तो क्या होगा बताओ? टेल. देखो पहला ऐड करोगे तो भी क्या आएगा तुम्हारा? इट विल बी क्या? चेंज वन. सी हियर हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. You have 20 ml of 0.1 normal HCl, right? Got it? You have 20 ml of 0.1 normal HCl is there, right? So see the first one you see, if you are adding 1 ml of HCl, clear है ना? तो देखो, now the concentration of H plus will be what? 20 into 0.1 plus 1 into 1 divided by क्या? 20 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 divided by 21, that is क्या? 3 by 20, that is 1 by 7. अभी कितना था तुम्हारा? 0.1 था कि नहीं था? So this is basically changing one. So first is the not the option. Second one, 20 ml of distilled water is there, means you are diluting it, right? Again the concentration will change. Third one, NaOH is there, obviously neutralization will be there, again the pH will change. Last one देखो, last one मैं justify कर रहा हूँ देखो, you are adding 500 ml of what? So I can write concentration of H plus is equals to you see na, the concentration right now and the concentration before is same. So the pH will not change in the fourth option. Got it? 12. Neutral buffer, acetic acid and the ammonium hydroxide. Both are the क्या? Got it? Question number 15. ये तो कल ही करा दिया था आई गेस. Question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16. Yeah. Question number 16 one. 1 mole of ammonia was completely absorbed in molar solution of 1 molar HCl and Decreasing order of the pH of the resulting solution they are asking. Okay, how to find it? See here. You have 1 mole of ammonia plus each of 1 molar HCl. It will form क्या? Ammonium chloride, right? Got it? Last one you have NH3 plus last one you have NH4 whole to SO4, right? क्लियर है? अब पूछ रहे क्या डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ पीएच की बात कर रहे, राइट? है कि नहीं? वी हैव गिवन द केबी ऑफ NH3 टू बी 4.7. गॉट इट? कैसे करेंगे पता समझो हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. See here, this is the salt of weak acid and the weak base. pH almost 7, not saying exactly but it will be around 7. अब देखो, this is the salt of strong acid, weak base. pH will be less than 7. Here also pH will be less than 7. Clear है? अब NH3 कितना दे रखा था देखना तो. NH3 they have given as how much? कहाँ गया क्वेश्चन? Which question it was? कहाँ था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. हाँ इधर है, ठीक है. देखो, see here, this is basically your 1 mole, right? क्लियर है क्या? अब दिस इज ऑल्सो द 1 मोल. क्लियर? सिंस इट विल बी रिएक्ट, इसमें क्या लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट आ जाएगा ये दिस वन, है कि नहीं? तो सी दिस इज द 1 मोल, राइट? सो वी नीड द 2 मोल. तो इसमें कुछ ना कुछ अमोनिया बच जाएगा. गॉट इट? So see here you have weak base plus strong acid, right? Here you have what? Weak base plus salt of that weak acid. This is a buffer one. Clear है कि नहीं? तो देखो इसका pH आएगा 7 के पास, इसका pH कितना आ जाएगा तुम्हारा, pOH कितना आ जाएगा, pKb प्लस सॉल्ट का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कितना है तुम्हारा, इट विल बी हाउ मच, अराउंड, दिस इज द बैलेंस वन, राइट? तो देखो यहाँ दिस इज द लीस्ट एसिडिक, मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा एसिडिक हो जाएगा. उसके बाद ये, उसके बाद बिकॉज दिस इज फॉर्मिंग योर क्या बेसिक बफर वन. तो ऑप्शन क्या हो जाना चाहिए तुम्हारा? फर्स्ट विल बी क्या? फोर्थ ऑप्शन, राइट? 3 ग्रेटर देन 2 ग्रेटर देन क्या? 1. गॉट इट? अब देखो दिस इज फाइन, ये तो हो चुका था. Question number 30. Question number 30 you do. Question number 30. Question number 30 you do. Which option? Why fourth one? See here. "30 you see. K values they have given, right? Higher the value of Ka value increases, acidic strength increases. So higher the value of Ka produces weaker bases. Produces क्या? Weaker basis one, right? तो weaker base कौन produce करेगा तुम्हारा? पूछा producer conjugate base strongest, right? तो strongest conjugate base will have the less Ka value. Which has the least Ka value here? Least K किसका है तुम्हारा? HCl का, HCN का, right? So option will be क्या? Fourth one. Fine, done. और एक देखो. Neat you come, neat exercise. Question number you do. Question number 13. Which of the following can form the buffer solution? Which of the following can form the buffer solution? Which one? Question number 13. क्या होगा? 13 you see. It is a weak base plus क्या? Salt of weak base with strong acid. That is ammonia. अरे ये तो NH4Cl लिखना था ना उसको, ये तो गलत लिखा है. They have written the OH one, right? What they given the answer? This one. वो NH4Cl लिखना होगा वहाँ पर, NH4OH नहीं होगा. That will be the NH4Cl. Got it? NH4Cl will be there. Question number 14. Question number 14. Concentration of Ag plus in the saturated solution of this one is itna. What is the solubility product for this one? See here. Ag2C2O4, right? It will be 2Ag plus C2O4 2 minus. Got it? What is the concentration? 2.2. So the solubility will be 2S S. Which option then? 2.2 का होल स्क्वायर कितना आ जाएगा? It will be 484. 484 into 1 into 1 कितना आ जाएगा तुम्हारा? It will be around 5 something. So it will be third option. Got it? So it will be a third option. Got it? 15. Question number 15. You do the question number 15. पूछा क्या है फिर? अच्छा, pH of the following will be equals to 1. pH of the following which will be equals to 1. pH of which of the following compounds will be equals to 1? Which one? Third. देखो क्या देखना होगा, more the acidic then the pH will become equals to 1, right? तो देखो यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा acidic कौन है? Third option seems to be like much more acidic, right? Because the concentration of H plus is very very high compared to concentration of what? OH minus 1. So the probable will be क्या? Third. You can also check this one, right? How to check this one? देखो NaOH plus the HCl, right? It will be what? 75 into that is the 0.1, right? So the concentration of H plus is equals to got it? Question number 17. 17. One. They have given the solubility in gram per liter, right? तो देखो S is given as but to convert gram into moles, right? Then you have to divide by molar mass. What is the molar mass for this one? The molar mass for this one will be around 242 BSO4 का कितना आ जाएगा? 32, 64, 4 to 6, 6 3 are 9, 96 और उसका बेरियम का भी is around very high. Got it? So something it will become around got it? So the option will be 10 to the power minus 10 1, right? Got it? 18. Question number 18. 18 which will make the basic buffer. देखो you have NaOH तो ये तो कभी बेसिक बफर नहीं बना सकता बिकॉज एसिटिक एसिड इज देयर. तो यू हैव टू लुक फॉर व्हाट? थर्ड ऑप्शन, राइट? देखो HCl है so it is forming the क्या basic buffer one. Got it? See HCl will react with NH4OH to form the NH4Cl. ये तो तुम्हारा limiting reagent है, so that will be used completely. So you'll be left with what? This one and this one. Fine. Question number 19. Question number 19. pH is given as see pH is given as 9, right? मतलब pOH कितना आ जाएगा 5. Got it? S and the 2S which is equals to what? 10 to the power minus 5. So Ksp is equals to what? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. गॉट इट? है ना? क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. क्वेश्चन 21. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. नहीं समझ में आया? See here, this is the effect of the common ion effect, right? So this is nickel hydroxide S and 2S. Sodium hydroxide will ionize as 0.1 and the 0.1. So 0.1 plus 2S you have to add, right? Again 2S is very less with respect to 0.1. So I have ignored that one. That is all. Question number 23 you do. 23. You know the formula? pH is equals to pK plus log salt by acid. Use the formula pH is equals to डन हो गया फाइन